Hey everyone, welcome back! Ever wondered where our Milky Way is in the grand cosmic dance? Let's dive into the Laniakea Supercluster to find out. So, you might know the Milky Way is our home galaxy, right? But did you know it's just one of 100,000 galaxies in a massive structure called the Laniakea Supercluster? Think of Laniakea as a cosmic city, and our Milky Way is just one house in this gigantic neighborhood. Now imagine a spider web. At the center of this web is the Great Attractor, a gravitational focal point pulling galaxies toward it. Our Milky Way isn't right in the middle but sits in a region called the Virgo Supercluster, which is a smaller part of Laniakea. Here's where it gets even cooler. The Milky Way is part of a local group of galaxies, including our friendly neighbor Andromeda. This local group is just one suburb in the Virgo Supercluster. So basically, our Milky Way is on the outskirts of this vast cosmic city. Imagine zooming out from Earth past the Milky Way and seeing this immense web of galaxies all interconnected. It's mind-blowing to think how tiny we are in the grand scheme of things. But don't worry, even though we're just a small part of Laniakea, it means we're part of something amazingly vast and beautiful. Isn't it incredible to think about our place in the universe like this? If this blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic journeys. Thanks for watching and keep looking up.